Okay, Math 152 students, we are going to test out me doing a video for you. You're not going to see me because, well, I'm just not dressed for the occasion. It is late. I am trying to figure out how to do this. And so I have drawn here what we did on Friday. And we have this region here, and we evolved it. And now we're ready to slice it, so I'm going to draw another slice like we did in class. It has a particular amount of thickness. That slice right here has a delta x component. And if you remember, any kind of volume is going to be the integral from a to b of our area function, in this case with respect to x. Now, our integral is starting over here at x equals 0. Wow, what happened? Things erased. Okay, I'm still learning. And it goes all the way up to 2 here. So we're going to have 2. And my region here, if I look at this shape right here, is a circle. It has an area of pi r squared. So my area is going to be pi times the radius squared. Now the radius in here, let me go ahead and switch colors if I can figure that out. The radius of my slice is right there, and that depends upon this function right here, which is y equals 1/2 x squared. And so that is what we're going to put in here, y equals 1/2 x squared. And at this point, then, all we have to do is integrate. And I don't think we finished that. Oh my gosh, something else is going off on my other computer. Nice. So this is going to end up being pi integral from 0 to 2 of 1/4 x to the 4th dx. This is one that we could do by hand because it ends up being 1/4 times 1/5 x to the 5th from 0 to 2. Running out of a little bit of room here, but look at that. I can move everything. That's pi over 20 if I multiply that times 2 to the 5th minus 0 to the 5th. And if I look at that, that is what? Let's go up here. That'd be 32 pi over 20. Which, if we reduce it, we could divide by 4 and make that 8 over 5 pi. And that is going to be in units, what? Cubed. Wow, my little pen is not matching where I'm putting it, so I apologize for that awful writing right there. Wow, that was me trying to make that I better. So this is just that's just finishing that very example 2, and so I'm going to try and make another video that's a little bit better for example 3, and I'll try and do that for the rest of the examples. Let's see how we can do.